complete guide to using UV resin from Craft Resin. Hello everyone and welcome to Craft Resin channel. I'm Julia and today I'm going to share a complete guide to mastering UV resin, so you can get beautiful flawless results every time. We are going to cover all essential details you need to know. How to prepare your workspace for working with UV resin. First, let's talk about the absolute essentials. Your most important tool is a powerful UV LED lamp. A small weak lamp is #1 reason for sticky and cured spots, because UV light simply can't penetrate deep enough to harden the resin. We recommended a lamp with at least 24 watts to ensure your resin cures quickly and completely. Your workspace is also a key factor. Make sure your room is between 21 to 24 degrees, as extreme temperatures can affect the resin's consistency and curing process. Keep your area clean and free of dust, and always work on a protective silicone mat. Our formula is non-toxic and has a low odor, but is still best to work in a well-ventilated space and wear gloves. The working UV resin process. Working with our UV resin is incredibly simple, since it's a single-part formula ready to use right out of the bottle. A common concern with UV resin is that it can yellow over time, but our formula contains stable UV filters, so UV pieces will stay perfectly clear for years. A common mistake beginners make is pouring a single thick layer. Remember, UV light can only travel so far. For the best results, pour layer no thicker than 3 mm at a time. This ensures the light reaches the entire layer, preventing soft spots. If you want to add color, use a UV-compatible pigment. A little goes a long way. Adding too much pigment is a major reason for uncured resin, as the color acts as a barrier, blocking the UV light from hardening the resin below. Our formula is designed to be almost bubble-free. You can easily pop them with a quick pass of a torch or with a spritz of an alcohol-based bubble remover spray. Common mistakes when drying UV resin. Once you've poured your resin, place your piece under UV lamp and cure it for 1 to 3 minutes. A critical step is to cure from all sides. Think of it like baking a cake. You need to cook both the top and the bottom for a perfect result. Always flip your piece over and cure it on the back side as well. If your piece feels sticky after curing, it simply means it's not fully cured. This is the most common problem and it's easy to fix. Just place the piece back under the lamp for a few more minutes, ensuring you cure it from all sides. This usually happens if your lamp isn't powerful enough, your layers were too thick, or you used too much pigment. After you are done, cleaning up is incredibly simple. Any liquid resin that gets on your silicone mat can be wiped up with a paper towel. Once the resin is cured, you can simply peel it off the mat like a film. With the right knowledge and our high-quality resin, you can say goodbye to common problems like stickness or yellowing. You can create beautiful, durable art in minutes, with the confidence that your pieces will be flawless. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!